Here's how to install a Thule WingEvo 135 on your 2020 Telluride. First, I'm going to put on this strip. There's a serration in the middle, so you just rip it down the middle and push it onto that. One of the strips has kind of a flat bottom and the other has a little bit of a notch, and the arrows you'll want facing the rounded part of the crossbar. The crossbar comes with these two measuring devices on the front bars, which I set 23 inches from the front of the silver flush railing. So 23 inches from here to about here. Kind of, there's a notch on the inside. I set the front bars to about 39 on this little measuring device. So you just slide it in. Get to 39 for the Rapid Podium 46R. 460R, sorry. You're going to want to pull this out, rotate it quarter away, push it back in, and then kit 1844113, that little screw will go in the middle hole. And using this guy, you just tighten it a little bit just to get it going in the hole, but not enough to tighten it all the way. You'll need it loose. So to get the proper distancing, it said to be about 700 millimeters away, which I figure is about 27 and a half, give or take, inches. I don't know how well you can see it, but that's kind of the spacing. I put that at 23 inches forward like I showed, so that the moonroof can slide up under it. So now we're going to put the Podium with the kit on the left side, since I installed the other Podium on the right. Can you get in close here so they can see? And then we're going to put it on the car. So now I'm going to slide this in to the other pre-installed slot. Just get this guy. There we go. Give it a little tightening. And then we're going to measure it, make sure this is also about 27 and a half, and it matches the other side. And it's not, so we'll want to move it. Don't take my picture, please. No one wants to see that.
Cute. It actually kind of reflects from the mirror, so.
Yeah. Thank you for helping me with my video, baby girl.
You're welcome. I hope I don't make
So
any.
now we're at 27 and a half inches, right?
Mhm.
And we're gonna check both sides, and I'm just gonna make sure they're even, and I'll get back to you. So now you tighten it about halfway, switch sides, tighten the other side halfway, then come back, tighten it fully, and that'll lock down your crossbars.
This way.
So now we're going to put up these strips. And what I like to do is I like to cut them right after this notch, this square notch. Can you get a video of where that is? And that's because the fitting that'll have, there'll be a little clip, and I'll show that in a little bit. So just measure it where we're at. So give it a snip. Give her a little shove in there. A little shorter than I would have liked, but kind of gets the job done. So here is the end cap, and you'll see there's an L. We're on the left side. Just make sure there's an R for the right side. And there's that tab I was talking about. That's going to go in that little square part. So I'm going to close this up because it's easier. And just fit that in. There, nice little click. Probably didn't pick up on the video, but now we got our end on. So now we're going to put in the Thule one-key lock system. And the way we do that is we use this installer key. It's a blank. It looks like a blank key. Insert that guy in there. Because if you don't put this key in, it will not go. It just won't, even if you use the lock key. So this is for installing it. It's good to know. Throw her in there, take her out, and now I'm going to show you what it looks like when we put it on the car. So follow me to the car. Once we get to the car, we just install this guy. Slides right in. Sometimes it clicks. Use your key now. Lock her in, and done. Kill it.